All right, we're back on Don Outdoor Adventures out here, still at the welder. I want to come in and try to put a nice little bead in here with the MIG welder. And I'm gonna do it without my, I've seen how the splatter go and everything, how it sparks. So I'm gonna try to do it without my jacket on. Just have my hood on, and we're gonna play with it. So I wanna make sure I got a good bead on that part of it. I feel pretty comfortable in doing that one. So, get my gloves on and we're gonna play with it. Get my ground on there. All right, here we go. That's what I'm talking about right there. Like I said, the wire feed one is a lot easier to use, and I can get good wavy penetration on it. And that's what I did this time around. And like I said, I'm happy with that. Y'all see what I'm working with. You see, get my little pointer. You can see right here is where I started, right in there. Yeah, right in there is where I started. I filled that gap in, see the gap? And I filled it in with weld, and that's pretty good. That's a pretty good weld, smooth. It took right in there. And like I said, with the wire feed, it's a lot easier to use than your stick. But I'll get it down. Like I said, more practice, and you'll get it. But like I said, I'm happy with that. That's the one I used on my boat fender to get it welded back right. So, all right, well there you have it. Using my wire fed, the MIG welder, and like I said, it's good. ArcCaptian, that's a good welder for home, and you can get more different types of welder for depending on what kind of job you want to do, but using that piece right there is good enough for me. All right, we'll see you next time on Don Outdoor Adventures, hopefully on the fish in the boat somewhere fishing. All right, we'll see you.